Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to download a specific tool which you can use in order to automate the process of XML injection. Now, in the previous video we saw how to do it manually with the contains function, and we were able to gather the usernames and passwords of different accounts on that website in the XML database. Now, that was the manual process of attacking that website, but since you do not want to do it every time, you can just download a simple tool and it will automate the entire process for you. Now, I will not cover that tool since using tools is much easier than actually doing the manual attack. So you can just check out some of the options that the tool gives you and you can use it, and I will just show you how you can install it. So in order to get this tool, since it is not pre-installed in the Kali Linux, what you want to do is run basic two commands. One of them is apt-get install python 3 -pip. Now, I already have this installed, so this will not install anything for me, but for you it will start installing the python 3 pip, which you will use a lot, not only for this tool, you will use to download all of the other tools that we will use for now on. Well, not all of them, but some of them. So if you just type here if you just type enter, let me just see, oh yeah, so it is not install, it is install. Just press here enter, and as we can see I already have it right here downloaded. You can download it yourself, and once you do that, what you want to do is download the program itself. Now, I already have the program downloaded as well, but I will show you the command in order to do that. So just type pip3 and then install XCAT. Once you type this command, press enter, and it should start downloading the command for you. And since I already have it installed, it says right here the requirement already satisfied. Now, once you finish this and once you have all the required satisfied and have pip3 installed, you can just basically run XCAT and see the available options that you have for that. And then you can also try to run the automated attack on the website that we already attacked in the previous lecture. But that's about it for the XML injection. We will not cover it in great detail, such as SQL map and cross-site scripting, since it is not that important for us at the moment. And in the next video we will cover the cross-site scripting attacks, and I will show you the power of the scripting languages on a certain website. So before we end this, let me just tell you how you can prevent all of these attacks. If you, for example, wanted to create your own website or something like that, you could easily prevent these attacks by filtering the user input. So the user input, whether it is in the search bar or, for example, typing in the username or password, or basically anywhere where you allow the user of that website to type something, you should always filter for potentially dangerous characters, or any characters that could involve or that could possibly be interpreted as a part of code. So especially the dangerous characters such as the apostrophe or double quotes or something like that. As we saw, it can make a lot of problem, especially in the SQL injection and as well in the XML injection, as we saw in the previous video. You want to filter out the big and small parentheses as well, so not just the quote marks. You want to filter out all of these characters. You also want to filter out some of the special characters such as question mark, comma or something like that, or percentage sign, and all of that. And also what you want to filter out is the comment characters. So the common characters, as we saw in the SQL injection, is the hashtag. But it doesn't have to be the hashtag. The comment characters are also in the SQL are 2 slashes like this. This can also be interpreted as a comment, which means that everything that comes after these 2 slashes will not be read as a part of code, will not be read at all. And for those of you who learn C, know that this is also, the 2 slashes are also the interpretation for comment in the C language as well. Another type of comment can be the double dash, so just type here dash dash or minus minus. It is also a version of comment in the SQL language as well. So in the previous videos where we covered SQL and typed their hash at the end, you could have typed any of these three. I just chose hash since it is only one character. It makes it easier. And basically what you want to do is filter out all of these special characters in order for user to not be able to communicate with the code on the server. And that's about it for these lectures of XML and SQL injection. In the next one I will show you the cross-site scripting attack, and we will finish the web penetration testing there. So I hope I see you in the next lecture, and take care. Bye.